Hello there, this is another Seeing Geometry video, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to construct a hexagon. What you first want to do is create a straight line like this. The next step is put a point on this straight line. Label it A. Now draw a circle around this center point A. Where it intersects this line, to your right, add the point B. The next step is create another circle from the center point B. This circle will have the radius AB. Now where these circles intersect, at the top here, create the point C. The next step is form another circle with the center C. This circle is going to have the radius AC and also BC, just like this. Now name these intersections to the left and right. Call this one over here D and this one over here E. The next step is create another circle with the center D. This circle is going to have the radius DC and also DA, just like this. Now create another circle with the center E. This circle is going to have the radius CE and also EB, like this. The next step is name this intersection over here and also this one over here. This one is going to be called F and this one over here is going to be called G. Now draw a circle around the point F. This circle is going to have the radius FD, FC, and also FG, just like this. Now draw another circle with the center G. This circle is going to have the radius GF, GC, and also GE, like this. What you can see now is a simple pattern called the seed of life. However, the job isn't done yet. To form the hexagon, join up the points F and D, D and A and B, B and E, E and G and F, like this. Now what you have is a perfect hexagon. If you like this video and want more geometric tutorials, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. For mathematics proofs, as always, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Here I post GCSE and A-level mathematics proofs almost on a daily basis. Thanks for watching this video and I'll talk again soon.